Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing power, unplug the extension cord, and test the outlet with a lamp or a voltage tester so you know the problem is the cord, not the wall. Once done, inspect the plug and the cord sheath for frays, burns, or loose pins because most failures are physical. Now collect a multimeter, wire strippers, a replacement plug, and electrical tape. These let you verify continuity and safely replace a damaged connector without guessing. You measure continuity across each conductor to find an open wire or a short, probe from plug prongs to the other end, and note any loss. Then remove the old plug or trim the cord back to undamaged insulation until you see shiny copper. This ensures you work with reliable metal, not corroded strands. Make sure to match color-coded wires correctly: hot, neutral, ground, and strip about 1/2 inch of insulation for a firm mechanical and electrical connection. You now attach each wire to the replacement plug or make insulated splices, tightening screws or using approved connectors so there's no loose metal contact. Once connected, set the strain relief so the cord can't pull free, then cover joints with electrical tape or heat shrink for insulation and strain protection. Finally, plug in and test with a lamp or device under normal load. If power drops or it works intermittently, recheck crimps and continuity. Replace the cord.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.